Good morning. Welcome to Kanishka IAS. So we are coming across the word Jantar Mantar in the recent news, and a protest is going on over there. So let us briefly know what is meant by the historical significance of Jantar Mantar. The word Jantar Mantar is being originated. It is a Sanskrit word which means that yantra is nothing but it gives a meaning of instrument, whereas mantra is nothing but the calculation or formulae. So basically the history goes like this. The Jantar Mantar was built by Maharaja Jai Singh Savai II. So he was the founder of Jaipur. So he built 5 Jantar Mantars at various localities like Delhi, Jaipur, Mathura, Ujjain, and Varanasi finally. So during the revolt of 1947, the Mathura Jantar Mantar was destroyed before the 1947 revolt. So now there are only 4 Jantar Mantars existing. So among that, Jaipur is the bigger one, the largest one, and Delhi is the second largest one. So brief history, what was the need for the construction of the Jantar Mantar? So actually the Maharaja Savai Jai Singh was very fascinated in the astronomy. So he was very interested in the Indian as well as European as well as the Islamic astronomy. So the basic purpose of the construction of this Jantar Mantar was that he wanted to know the time, and he wanted to study about the planetary systems, the celestial bodies. So basically the astronomical calculations. So the beauty here is that these Jantar Mantars were constructed in such a way that there was no need of telescopes to have a look at the astronomical objects like sun, moon, planets and stars. So with a bare naked eye, one can have a view of the astronomical objects. So that's about something about the purpose of Jantar Mantar. But with what material, what material this Jantar Mantar has been constructed? So basically they have used the stone, marble, plaster and masonry, which was competing for the modern astronomical instruments. So there was a lot of accuracy maintained here. So coming to the reason, why they have chosen Jantar Mantar as a protest center. So basic reason is that the Jantar Mantar is located in the vicinity of Parliament. It is very reachable, very nearer to the Parliament. So Parliament can be easily accessed from this location. And one more thing is, Jantar Mantar is the area wise it is very larger, so it can accommodate huge crowds for protesting. So in the past also we have come across lot of protests Anna Hazare has protested about the anti-corruption, and similarly there were farmer protests before that, and currently in the news we have got Sonam Wangchuk who is on a hunger strike for the educational reforms. There was a NEET paper leak recently. So yesterday he has given up the hunger strike. When the government came up with some assurances. That's about Jantar Mantar. Thank you.